everyone. Welcome to a new session on molecular biology. In this session, we will be discussing DNA repair mechanisms. DNA is the repository of genetic information in each living cell. Its integrity and stability is essential for life. DNA, however, is not inert. Rather, it is a chemical entity subject to assault from the environment, and any resulting damage, if not repaired, will lead to mutation and possibly some severe disease. Perhaps the best known example of the link between environmental induced DNA damage and disease is that of skin cancer, which can be caused by excessive exposure to UV radiation in the form of sunlight. Beyond environmental agents, DNA is also subject to oxidative damage from byproducts of metabolism such as free radicals. In fact, it has been estimated that an individual cell can suffer up to 1 million DNA changes per day. Our cells are constantly exposed to insults from endogenous and exogenous agents that can introduce damage into our DNA and generate genomic instability. To counteract the harmful effects of DNA damage, cells have developed a specialized DNA repair system which can be subdivided into several distinct mechanisms based on the type of DNA lesion. These processes include base excision repair, mismatch repair, nucleotide excision repair and double strand break repair, which comprise both homologous recombination and non-homologous end joining. Since many mutations are deleterious, DNA repair systems are vital for the survival of all organisms. Changes to the cellular genome can generate errors in the transcription of DNA and ensuring translation into proteins necessary for signaling and cellular function. Genomic mutations can also be carried over into daughter generations of cells if the mutation is not repaired prior to mitosis. Once cells lose their ability to effectively repair damaged DNA, there are three possible responses. 1. The cell may become senescent, that is, irreversibly dormant. 2. The cell may become apoptotic. 3. The cell may become malignant. Here you can see a figure explaining about DNA repair. In this, you can see a healthy cell, when exposed to DNA damaging agents which may be exogenous or endogenous, turn to cells which have damaged DNA. But if the cell possesses DNA repair mechanisms, the damaged cell can turn back and become a healthy cell. If unrepaired DNA damage persists, the cell accumulates the DNA damage and the cell can become either a senescent cell, apoptotic cell or a cancerous cell. To compensate for the degree and types of DNA damage that occurs, cells have developed multiple repair processes. DNA repair is regulated in mammalian cells by a sensing mechanism that detects DNA damage and activates a protein called p53.